spoke life into me, okay?
See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love.
I wanted to show you guys the new shower curtain and the rugs. It's so freaking cute. I love it. And then it came with black rugs. This picture was already in here, but we had it above the toilet, and I just was like, I need to move that. I moved that. We also picked up this one as well, this little soap dispenser, because we didn't have one. We were just using like the plastic ones and then just buying refills. And I got this little candle. I tried to burn it last night and that's okay. I put a new Glade plug-in refill in here. It looks like I need to turn this up because I'm not smelling it. Are the same scent, but that's there for a little bit of decor. So I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree because that's where I got that photo from, and I'm going to get probably something to go here and probably like a wall decal or something like that to go over the toilet. Girl, I swear every single couple of weeks I'm having to organize this, and it's just not enough. It's supposed to go over the toilet, but like, let me show y'all the toilet. I always keep some disinfectant wipes and like a spray bottle and a towel just in case something, you know, go on with the toilet or whatever. Our toilet is like the way it was, I guess, put down right here. They pushed it all the way to the freaking wall, so we can't like put this over there. I put it right here for when you come into the bathroom. So I'm going to organize this right here. And since we don't have a linen closet, I'm having to stuff everything down here. Once upon a time it was organized. This weekend I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree and I'm going to get some stuff organized, but some like containers and things to make this a little bit easier on myself. But oh my god, I do not want to have to do this again, but I'm going to. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after I'm done fixing it, throwing things out that needs to be thrown out maybe. Hey yo, it's me, yo blind bestie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aisha Deshay. I had discovered that I hadn't really shown my face on this vlog just yet. I did my makeup. Do y'all hear that noise? Let's go to the door so y'all can hear. Cause baby, I'm so upset about it. What the hell is going on? I think they're working on like this other side of the alley because they just repaved it. Apparently my city just got a bunch of new money and they showing out. I am making myself turkey burgers for lunch. Very excited about those. What else? That's pretty much all the updates right now. I want to film this second part, well, this part 2 of my pseudotumor cerebri story, because I just realized that video, the first one, got 100 views, and I told myself once it hits 100 I'm going to do part 2, and now that it's hit 100 I want to do part 2. So that was my intentions of today, but I'm gonna eat lunch and we're going to see if they stop so I can go film. I am done filming for the day. I ended up doing an Instagram post, 2 Instagram stories, an Instagram video, well, reel, and then I posted it on my feed as well. And I also did a TikTok. So we're done for today. It was pretty good, but I ended up filming late and it kind of threw my timing off, and the motivation to film anything else is really low, and I don't want to be on camera like faking the funk, because that's not fun. But I'm about to put my shirt back on. It's just a regular big black shirt that I got. I don't know where I got this shirt from, but anyways, that's not the point. So hair in my mouth. I want to talk about content creation with you guys real fast, because let me tell you, I have been watching a bunch of girls on YouTube that have been inspiring me, baby. They are inspiring me, and I'm so just like elated with so much good just vibes. And like, I felt like yesterday Arnell Armand, you know, Alyssa Ashley's sister, spoke life into me. Okay, she basically was just saying like, also, and Chrissy, what's her name, Curly Chris, I was watching her vlog too. Okay, I'm gonna get to Curly Chris video, but hold on, I got so much to say and it's all coming out at once. So in Arnell Armand's video, she basically was talking about editing and like how she does transitions and things like that. Like, I like for my vlogs to be aesthetically pleasing, and then the more I edit them, the more I'm film them, I'm going to know how to do more different edits, right? Being that I'm blind, I can't just go on the computer and like, you know, edit on there because I can't see to do it. It's not accessible and it's not, you know, it doesn't work with screen readers. So I'm having to do what I have to do, girl. So I basically have been teaching myself how to add in transitions, how to do a little bit more, different sounds, different music. I try not to use the same sounds when I am filming when I'm editing my vlogs, because I don't want y'all thinking like, damn, she uses the same songs, like, or whatever. So the last vlog that I just posted, like I did some different tunes in there, and I think it was a nice little vibe, okay? And then like I've been watching a bunch of different girls on YouTube, and they're just inspiring me to like make my vlog game a little bit better. So I say all that to say I am really excited to do my YouTube journey over here. Like I'm just so pumped. And then in Curly Chris's video, she basically was just saying like how she sometimes doesn't want to film but had that motivation to want to get up to do it. I myself, that's how I am. Like I don't always want to film. I don't always want to put a full face of makeup today. Actually, I was only going to do my eyebrows and put some lashes on and call it a day. But I ended up putting on foundation, the whole lip liner, lip gloss, the whole shebang on my face. Put my wig on, put a cute shirt on. I did all that today because I knew that I can't always be in a funk. I can't always be down. And I can't always be like, well, I'm gonna just do it tomorrow, because what if tomorrow never comes and I'm sitting here stuck pissed off because I never posted or I never filmed or I never edited something. Like I have to keep myself up out that funk. So this is me helping y'all today. I just hope that I'm in frame because that would be embarrassing. Doing a whole video about me using organic pads, well, tampons. So stay tuned for that. I just gotta come on my cycle.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up?
So we got these COVID tests. The government has sent out like people free COVID tests, but we haven't used them. You get 4 for free. It's 2 in each box. So I'm gonna put these down here because we don't use them, and I don't know where else to put them. So this is what it's looking like now. It looks way better than it did before. So I'm definitely gonna have to get another shelf in here. 3 bottles of water go into my jug that I got from, oh my god, I make this so tight, that I got from Five Below. So I do really well throughout the day with water. This is like 75 ounces of water, and I complete it throughout the day. But this is my first time filling this up today, and I'm just feeling so thirsty, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to finish this today. Because I always drink a lot of water when I eat my meals, so. All 3 are in. My boyfriend said I drink way more than 3 bottles a day, which I do. But I only put 3 bottles in my jug. Look who came to see their auntie. We're having an auntie and niece day. We're taking Diamond out, as y'all see. The oldest will have Diamond. I got my cane. Y'all saw what I had on. Y'all probably like, girl. But let me get on down these steps with these crazy kids. It's raining and shit. It's cold. I always hold the camera too low, well, a little low, while I'm out here, so y'all can see where we live. But it's supposed to be a good day. All my Amazon packages are coming. Look at them. Y'all wanna say hi to my vlog? Hi. So that's all we doing. Taking them outside. Okay, y'all, I'm about to end the vlog here. Like, I remembered that I haven't really been closing out the vlogs, but I wanted to show y'all my hair. Like, that's crazy. Big chop was in August and your girl went short. I'm gonna put in a clip right here. Like, OMG. I cut it off. I cut it off. This is what it's looking like. It was short. And this is all of my hair growth. I'm just so proud of myself because I have really been keeping my hands out my head. I wear my wigs, you know, the whole things. And then I'm about to put oil on my scalp and on my hair, like really heavy, and sleep with this on and my bonnet. Because first of all, I don't like that sound when I'm like laying in the bed. So I just wanted to show y'all this and show y'all the growth. And I also folded it back, or put it up into like a little puff, and y'all, my puff is growing. But that is all for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.